Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on your phone. First, ensure your device meets the minimum requirements for the Gemini app, then download it from your App Store. Once installed, open the application and sign in using your Google account. This step is crucial for personalizing your experience and saving your conversations. You'll be ready to explore Gemini's capabilities in just a few taps. After logging in, you'll be prompted to grant essential permissions, such as microphone access for voice commands. Take a moment to customize your Gemini settings, including your preferred language and how you want Gemini to respond. You can also explore different modes and extensions to tailor the experience to your needs. This initial setup ensures Gemini works seamlessly and efficiently for all your queries. Interacting with Gemini is straightforward. You can type your questions directly into the chat interface or use voice commands for hands-free interaction. Gemini can assist with a wide range of tasks, from drafting emails and summarizing lengthy articles to brainstorming creative ideas. Don't forget you can also upload images for Gemini to analyze or describe, opening up new possibilities for assistance. Gemini offers advanced features like real-time information access, keeping you updated on current events and trends. You can also integrate Gemini with other Google services, enhancing your overall productivity and streamlining your workflow across different applications. Remember to regularly check for app updates to access the newest features and improvements. For a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.